Welcome to the ultimate cryptocurrency guide for 2025. In just 1 hour, you'll understand exactly how crypto works, what's trending this year, and how you can start investing smartly, even with a small budget. No fluff, no hype, just real strategies, real risks, and the knowledge you need to navigate this fast-changing world. I've been in crypto for X years. I've made money, I've lost money, and I've learned the hard way what works and what doesn't. Today, I'm sharing it all. Let's start with a quick reality check. Back in 2010, one guy bought pizza with 10,000 Bitcoin. Today, that's over, current value, dollars. And in 2021, thousands of people lost everything to scams. Crypto can change your life, but only if you know what you're doing. So, let's begin. First, what exactly is cryptocurrency in 2025? It started with Bitcoin in 2009, an experiment in digital money with no central bank. Fast forward, and we have thousands of coins, blockchain-based financial systems, gaming economies, AI-powered NFTs, and billion-dollar decentralized applications. But here's the key: not all crypto is created equal. Some coins solve real problems, like Ethereum, which powers smart contracts. And some are pure speculation. In 2025, the market looks very different than it did 5 years ago. Regulation is tighter in most countries. Institutional investors, big banks, hedge funds are holding crypto. And technologies like Layer 2 scaling, zero-knowledge proofs, and cross-chain bridges are making blockchains faster, cheaper, and more secure. The top 5 coins by market cap right now are: Show updated list. Each has a reason to exist. Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is the global smart contract platform, Solana offers high-speed transactions, TON connects with Telegram's massive user base, and USDT/USDC give us stable, dollar-pegged assets. Let's peek under the hood. At its core, cryptocurrency runs on blockchain, a shared, public database that no single person controls. It's made up of blocks of transactions, linked together in a chain, and secured by cryptography. 2 main ways to run a blockchain: mining, proof of work, like Bitcoin. Computers solve puzzles to validate transactions. Staking, proof of stake, like Ethereum. You lock coins to secure the network and earn rewards. Then we have smart contracts, self-executing code on the blockchain. Think of them as vending machines for digital agreements. Put in the terms, get the result, without lawyers or middlemen. Layer 1 blockchains, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, are the base layer. Layer 2 solutions, like Arbitrum, Optimism, make them faster and cheaper by processing transactions off-chain and then settling on the main chain. In 2025, this tech isn't just for finance. We see it in supply chains, gaming, AI marketplaces, and even healthcare. Okay, now the big question: how do you actually make money in crypto this year? First, there's hodling, buying and holding for years. Second, trading, trying to profit from short-term price moves. Riskier, but potentially more profitable if you know what you're doing. I recommend building a balanced portfolio, 50% in blue-chip coins like BTC and ETH, 30% in promising mid-caps with strong fundamentals, 20% in high-risk, high-reward projects. If you have $100, focus on learning in blue chips. With $1,000, diversify into Layer 2, DeFi tokens, and maybe one gaming project. With $10,000, you can split across blue chips, altcoins, and yield-generating assets like staking or liquidity pools. Tools you must know: CoinGecko for coin data, TradingView for chart analysis, Glassnode for on-chain analytics, DeFi for DeFi stats. Crypto is exciting, but it's also full of traps. Scams, fake exchanges, pump and dump coins, phishing sites. Hacks, smart contract bugs, bridge exploits. Human error, losing your private keys. Top 5 rules for safety. 1. Never store large amounts on exchanges. Use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. 2. Double-check URLs before logging in. 3. Never share your seed phrase. 4. Use two-factor authentication everywhere. 5. Keep software updated. Remember, in crypto, you are your own bank and your own security guard. So, where is this all going? Experts predict the crypto market cap could reach $10 trillion by 2030, driven by institutional adoption, integration with AI, and the rise of tokenized real-world assets like real estate and company shares. We'll see. AI-powered trading agents on-chain, cross-chain ecosystems where assets move freely between blockchains, governments issuing CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, while competing with decentralized ones. Crypto inside the metaverse, powering entire virtual economies. To wrap up, crypto in 2025 is no longer a fringe hobby. It's a global financial force. But success depends on knowledge, patience, and discipline. Race my personal strategy. Hold strong assets for the long term. Keep learning every week. Protect your keys. Never invest what you can't afford to lose. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to understand crypto. In my next video, we'll go deep into how to spot a 100x altcoin before it pumps, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of money.